I have fucking allergies right now, and they won't go away. And I'm gonna film myself every time I fucking sneeze.